Hey, it's Marlene, and today I'm photographing some low-hanging fruit. Actually, it's quite high. In fact, it's way up in that tree over there. So what do I mean by low-hanging fruit? In the case of birding, it could be birds at your bird feeder, birds that you have access to. Maybe there's a nest on your yard, and in this case, I found a hawk nest in my neighborhood. And it's not a bad thing to have low-hanging fruit. Low-hanging fruit is a great way to practice using your different camera settings, practice using the different focus settings, basically practice so that when something exciting and new comes along, you're ready for it. Hone your skills on low-hanging fruit. With low-hanging fruit, you have many chances to get things right. It prepares you for anything, for things like this, or like this. When I'm out shooting birds like this for a long time, I discovered that I need more support. I use a monopod, but even the monopod isn't steady enough for video sometimes, especially if you're getting a bit tired. I also find that I'm shooting in manual focus, especially for video, and I have the focus peaking turned on. Now, if you don't know what focus peaking is or you've never used it before, I do have a video about that, so you can check that out. The video link is in the description below. So the moral of the story is always be ready for opportunities, even if it's low-hanging fruit, even if it's in your own neighborhood. I took lots of photos and video clips, so let's have a look at those now. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Just want to send out a personal message to all of you watching this. I really appreciate all of you who stick around with me. I haven't created any new content for a couple of months. Sometimes life gets in the way of our hobbies and our activities, and this is a hobby for me, by the way. And also a special thanks to you for always asking questions, leaving comments, and especially your financial support in the way of super thanks and buying me a coffee and leaving me PayPal tips and things like that. Shout out to all of you. Any participation is great. It keeps me going on those hard days, and we all have those sometimes. But hey, life is great right now for me, so I hope to have some new stuff for you soon. And hey, maybe they're gonna come out with a new Lumix camera. Wouldn't that be great? Now, some of you have been asking, just so you know, I do not have any inside lines on a new Lumix G9. I wish I did. If anyone from Panasonic is watching, please send me a demo. I'd love to test out any new Lumix G9, Mark II, whatever you're gonna call it. Send me one. I'd love to test it. Anyway, thanks again, guys, for watching. Cheers to all of you, and hope you're having a great summer.